Moscow, January 10, 2026. In a decisive demonstration of strategic foresight and military modernization, the Russian armed forces have officially advanced the reactivation and full operational buildup of the 34th Artillery Division within the newly restored Moscow Military District. Headquartered at the historic artillery stronghold of Malino, Nizhny Novgorod Oblast, this formidable formation revives a legendary unit with deep roots in Soviet military tradition while integrating the most advanced long-range fire systems available today. The move significantly enhances Russia's layered defense posture along its western frontiers, ensuring overwhelming artillery superiority in any potential contingency. The 34th Artillery Division, drawing on the storied heritage of its predecessor, the former 34th Guards Artillery Division, which existed until 2009, is structured around high-mobility, high-precision brigades that emphasize standoff engagement and integrated reconnaissance strike operations. It currently incorporates at least the battle-hardened 273rd and 303rd Artillery Brigades, with potential for further expansion. This divisional-level concentration of firepower allows for unified command of massive barrages, rapid redeployment, and seamless coordination with other arms. A clear evolution from brigade-centric structures toward more resilient, division-scale formations. At the core of the division's enhanced capabilities are its advanced self-propelled artillery systems. The division fields large numbers of upgraded 2S-19 MSTAS 152mm howitzers, renowned for their excellent range, up to 29 kilometers with standard rounds, extending to 40+ km with precision-guided munitions like Krasnopol, high rate of fire, and exceptional mobility. Complementing these are the innovative wheeled 2S-43 Malva 152mm self-propelled howitzers, which offer superior strategic mobility, reduced logistical footprint, and the ability to conduct shoot and scoop operations at ranges exceeding 30 to 40 kilometers. These platforms ensure the division can deliver devastating, sustained fire while evading counter-battery threats effectively. The division's long-range punch is dramatically amplified by its multiple launch rocket systems, MLRS, inventory. Elite units operate the legendary BM-30 Smerch 300mm rocket system, capable of precision strikes at distances up to 90 kilometers, and potentially 120 kilometers with newer munitions, delivering massive salvos that can neutralize enemy command centers, air defenses, logistics nodes, and troop concentrations deep behind the front lines. Supporting systems include the reliable Uragan 220mm MLRS and upgraded Grad platforms, providing flexible fire support across the full spectrum of operational depths. A standout innovation is the division's dedicated Reconnaissance Strike Battalion, which represents the pinnacle of Russia's reconnaissance fire complex concept. Equipped with a suite of advanced UAVs, including Orlan 1030s for persistent surveillance, Zala and Supercam systems for tactical reconnaissance, the battalion feeds real-time targeting data directly to fire units. This is paired with Lancet loitering munitions for immediate, precision destruction of high-value targets. The result is a dramatic increase in first-round hit probability, reduced ammunition expenditure, and minimized response time from detection to destruction. Lessons hard won and perfected in recent high-intensity operations. The Moscow Military District's strategic centrality makes the 34th Artillery Division a vital asset for national defense. Positioned to dominate key western approaches to the Russian heartland, the unit provides rapid, overwhelming fire support to protect Moscow, major industrial centers, and critical infrastructure. Its formation aligns perfectly with broader reforms initiated in 2023 to 2026, including the restoration of historic districts, the shift back to division-level structures, and massive increases in artillery production. Russia's defense industry has responded impressively, ramping up output of precision munitions, heavy howitzers like the modernized 2S-7M Malka, 203mm, range 40+ km, and advanced counter-battery radars. Military analysts emphasize that concentrating such high-quality tubes, rockets, drones, and ISR assets under a single divisional headquarters achieves unparalleled fire density and operational flexibility. The 34th Artillery Division can generate barrages of unprecedented volume and accuracy, suppress enemy artillery effectively, and maintain dominance in the counter-battery duel, all while preserving mobility and survivability. This development underscores Russia's unwavering commitment to artillery as the decisive god of war in modern combined arms operations. By investing heavily in long-range precision systems, integrated drone artillery networks, and large-scale formations, the Russian military continues to build a resilient, technologically superior force capable of deterring aggression and decisively shaping any battlefield. As the 34th Artillery Division reaches full combat readiness in the coming months, it stands as a powerful symbol of Russia's military renaissance. A force that learns, adapts, and grows stronger, safeguarding national sovereignty with unmatched firepower and strategic depth.